Hey, welcome to another 10-day installment of our work towards balancing in a handstand. This week is going to be very simple and very focused. We're just doing our 1-minute handstand holds, but we are laser focused on a couple of very important things. We're going to be making sure that everything north of our shoulders is rock solid tight. So when you're upside down, your toes need to be pointed, your buttocks needs to be squeezed, your legs are tight, your core is on. But then everything from here down, I want you to practice or think about tension and relaxation. And I want you to focus on a single point between your fingers and have a play with your fingers. Now, what I mean by play with your fingers is when you'll be in handstand, we're kind of in a, we're falling over constantly in one direction. And the only thing that's stopping us from falling completely out of handstand is our fingers. And if we fall in the other direction, to our stomach side, there's nothing behind the hand that stops you from falling out of handstand. You have to use your shoulders. So what we are doing effectively in a handstand are holding ourselves in this kind of continual shuffle balance. And that's going to require you to use your fingers. Now there's different takes on this. Some people like to bend their fingers. Some people like to have straight fingers on the floor. You choose, but you practice both. So when you go up to handstand, you're going to walk up the wall, take your position and get completely tight. Your bottom is tight, your toes are tight, your core is on, but then everything south of the shoulders is a little fluid. It has to be fluid. And you're going to play with scrunching your fingers up and then letting them out. Scrunching your fingers up and then letting them out. And if you want to play with your, fluid shoulders, forwards and backwards, you can. Make sure that your back is tight and round, that you're not arching in that shape, and that everything north of your shoulders is really, really tight for a whole minute. That by itself is going to be quite challenging, just to keep yourself really, really tight for a whole minute. Play with those fingers and then have a feel about what's south of your shoulders being fluid and responsive, because they're going to be constantly shifting around to try and ensure that your feet are going to be, or your whole body is going to be balanced overhead. And that's it for the next 10 days. So good luck with that one. And send me any photos and videos so that I can make a comment. All right, good luck.